words to describe the Mentor Summit would be awesome, exciting, collaborative. A piece of advice that I would give to a GSOC student really would be get engaged. It's not just about writing code, it's also about learning how to interact with the other people in the project and always be really open and be willing to accept new ideas and new concepts. What I love about being a mentor is when I get to engage with a student who's really excited and interested in the project and gives a lot of feedback about how the whole process goes, and also just to see how they get excited working with the project, working with the code, and making it do what they want.
Open source is a way to develop software in a very special manner, like you share, you contribute, and you communicate with people all over the world. One of the reasons why I decided to mentor the project is that I was a student and I felt like thankful to the community and I wanted to give it back.
For me, open source is collaboration. You might have some skills and you were like, okay, I can do this myself, but when you have people from different backgrounds, way of thinking, coming and solving a single project, that's what open source is more about. What I would like to give to GSOC students, it's just for you to be real, and you don't have to claim what you can able to complete, because of course everyone wants to be have impressive proposal. So you just have to be real and just come in. Of course we'll accept you.
To choose a good student, we were looking for when they did their proposal was how they were actually using the software and how they would see those improvements, something that they would be using. So really looking. Obviously, you see all the technical skills to do what they want, they understood the project, but are they going to use it on their lives? So are they going to be solving a problem that they are facing? Because we find that, for us at least, this was a big change. People who solved the problem that they wanted fixed did the best jobs.
The main piece of advice that I did give to the students that we had this year was communication is the most important thing. You may be good at coding, but really I just want to talk to you and often, and just stay in touch. Don't be afraid to get in touch with me anytime. I think what I really enjoyed this year was meeting new people. I think that is, for me, the most important thing, and inducting new students into our project. Just the personal contact and making them feel welcome.
I choose a student based on many different criteria. First of all, I see their technical capabilities and expertise. Then I select how well they're integrating with the community and how well they're able to work themselves without being guided in every single step. So be independent and being actually able to take on the maintainership of a part of the project at the end of the GSOC. So one piece of advice I would give to a GSOC student is remember why you're doing it. You're doing it in order to learn how to contribute to a free software project.
Open source software is like building Optimus Prime from all the component minicons that others built before you. Students can make the most of their GSOC experience by not only concentrating on the code that they're going to write, but also engaging with the community, making friends, and in general getting into the feel of things. The one piece of advice that I would like to give to GSOC student is don't try to overdo it. Don't fill in a proposal that says you're going to work 80 hours in a week, because that's just going to burn you out in half a week.